Okay, important question. Why did I come to Miami? See, I was in New York just trying to figure out what to do. Should I go back to India? Should I explore a little more? And that's when it hit me that I should do it.
I'm laying here in my bed, feeling kinda lonely.
Yeah, but it's not scenic enough.
Then my heart starts talking. You are never alone, whispers my heart, whispers my sweetheart. You are never alone, whispers my sweetheart. I am always with you. I am always with you.
I just wanted to do more adventure. I wanted to experience more. I want to meet more people, do more things, click more pictures, make more videos, and just have fun. So that's why I came to Miami, and I covered entire city. This entire city, I kid you not, I have literally covered on bike.
Now I feel a little bit more happy. I feel that I'm not alone anymore.
Okay, so yeah, that's about it. That's the Miami story. And I think I'm gonna just now move out from here. Oh, by the way, this is my Airbnb where I'm staying. Have a look.
I'm laying here in my bed.
It's a beautiful Boho House.
Feeling kind
Come, I'll show you.
Then my heart starts talking. You are never alone.
Yep. This is where I'm staying.
Whispers my heart.
It's a different experience.
Whispers my sweetheart. You are never alone. Whispers my sweetheart. I am always with you. I am always with you. Now I feel
That's the house.
a little bit
Okay, more about this house in the next video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Ta-da!
I feel that I'm not alone